The combination of four parts plus proper fraction. So for example, 2 1 by 2. So here 3 is 4 parts, 1 by 2 is the proper fraction. 3 1 by 4. So here 3 is the whole part, 1 by 4 is the proper fraction. So here mixed fraction convert into improper. Improper convert into mixed. How to convert? So for example, convert improper to mixed. Mixed convert into here. To take one example, improper parts. This 4 by 3. This one convert into, this is improper. Improper convert into mixed. How to convert? Using division method. So 3 table 4. 3 1 are 3. So here remainder is 1. So remainder is 1. That one you take numerator. This one is the divisor. That one you take denominator. This one is the quotient. That one you take both parts. So this one written as 1 1 by 3. So this is given improper converting to mixed line. Next, similarly, mixed fraction converting to improper. Fraction 2 1 by 2. This one converting to improper. You multiply the denominator and both parts. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 by 2. So here 4 plus 1 5. So 5 by 2. So like that we convert given mixed fraction into improper. Next one, like decimals, like fractions. Like fractions. Here, which fractions has denominators same? Which fractions are denominators same? Same. Those are like fractions. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 6 by 5. This group of fractions they are like fractions. Denominators are different. That fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Denominators are different. Denominators are different. For example, 9 by 3, 6 by 7, 8 by 5, etc. Which one is the greater? Greater, smaller. Greater, smaller out of 5. Which one is the greater? Which one is the smaller? Here, comparison two fractions. Comparison is two fractions. Suppose you take 2 by 5, 3 by 2 like that. In these two fractions, which is the greater? How to calculate? So here, given fractions like or unlike value. So given fraction denominator here 5, here 2. So these two are unlike. So that type of fractions they given means we do cross multiplication after we find the which one is the greater and is not. So here 2 2s are 4. This is first fraction. 5 3s are 50. So here first fraction is less than 2, second fraction. Why? Because here first value is 4, second value is 50. So 4 is less than 50. So here 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 2. It means 2 by 5 is smaller than 2. Second fraction 3 by 2. For the given fractions 2 by 5, 6 by 3, 4 by 9 like that. So 3 fractions. This one how to arrange ascending order. Ascending. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Now here given fractions like or unlike identify. So like or unlike denominators are different. So these are unlike. So given unlike fractions we convert into like or to change the numerator. 5, 3, 9. So here 5 itself, 3 itself, 9 in one table or 3 table. 11. So here these 3 are one table only possible. That time you multiply these all values. So 5 into 3 into 9. So multiply here. 3 5s are 50, 59s are 135. 59s are 135. 135 is a LCM. So first fraction convert into like 2 by 5. So here 5. 5 table 135. How many times here? Observe 5 2s are 5 7. It makes 27. So 27 into numerator is 1. So here you take 27. It makes 27 by 27. Now 27 2s are 54. 54 by 27 into 5 you get 135. So that is first fraction. Next second fraction 6 by 3. Now you check the 3 table 135. 3 table 3 4s are 12. Next 3 5s are 15. So 45 times. Now observe here only 3 table remaining 5 9s are 45 like that. So 45 by 45. Now here 45 6 are 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24 root 3 27. So here this is 130. Next one 4 by 9. 9 table how many times 135? 5 3s are 15. So 15 by 15. Now 15 4s are 60. Next 130. Now observe here denominator 135, here 135, 135. These are like fractions. Now arrange ascending order. Which one is the small? Arrange which one is small? 54 is small. It means the fraction is 2 by 5. Less than. Next fraction 6 by 135 means 4 by 9. Less than. Next 6 by 3. This is ascending order. Small to big. Here you can use less than. So this one arrange descending order. Use greater than. Which one is a big like that? Same procedure in descending order also, but here big to small. Now here descending order. Which one makes 6 by 3 is big? Greater than 4 by 9, greater than next 2 by 5. So like that arrange descending order. First addition. So given fractions like or unlike, suppose 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 like that. Given fractions like or unlike identify like denominators. Then numerators suppose they given plus symbol addition, you do addition. 2 plus 3 5. So here denominator is 5. So 5 by 5. So you get this answer 5 by 5. Next suppose they given unlike fraction 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4 like that. You find the LCM of the denominators 3 and 4. So here 3 is one table, 4 is one table. So that time 4 3 4 are 4. What is the LCM? So 3 table how many times here? 4 times. So 4 into numerator. First of all, given unlike fractions how to add? You find the LCM of the denominator 3 4. 3 4 are 12. 3 4 are 12. LCM is 12. LCM is 12. 3 table how many times? 4 times. 4 2s are 8. 4 table how many times? 3 times. So 3 5s are 15. Now these two add. 8 plus 15, 23 by 2. Like that we do the addition. Same in subtraction also. Subtraction. Subtraction also here. Same like fractions means you take numerators is subtract 3 minus 2 1. So you get here 1 by 5. So here this one subtract minus 5 by 4. Observe here denominator is here 12. You get next here 3 and 4 4 2 are 8. So here you make 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. You get here this is do subtract big value minus small value. 15 minus 8 is 7. Big number has minus symbol, minus 7. Like that, this one here 12. Here 15 minus 3 4 jar 4 2 jar 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 by 12. This is plus. Here plus symbol, here minus. You do subtraction process like that. Multiplication. So here multiplication, that one you can take like fractions or alike fractions, whatever may be, you multiply 2 by 3 into 4 by 3, like that. So these are like fractions. You check first numerator and denominator, these two are as possible, any table you observe. So any table not possible, next you check another one, 4 by 3, here not possible. Next you check the cross one also not possible, any table, both are. So that time you do direct multiplication. Numerator is the numerator and denominator is the denominator. 2 4 are 8, 3 3 are 9, like. Next 8 by 4 into 16 by 32. So now observe first numerator and denominator, these two are possible in the table. Yes, 4 table is possible, both 4 1 jar 4 2 jar. These two do cancellation. That's these two are next. These two observe 16 table. 16 1 jar 16 2 jar. Next you check any value is there here. Any value is there not there. Now you check cross also. So 2 1 jar. So what is the answer you get here? 1. What is the answer you get here? 1. So like that here. 16 1 jar 16 2 jar. Here 4 1 jar 4 2 jar. So 2 cancel. You get the answer is 1. Take it 8 by 4 divided by 2. So here this is fraction. This is whole number. This is normal number. So this one taken as fraction 2 by 1. So now here 8 by 4. Division becomes into. So this one given fraction, that one reciprocal of that. So 1 by 2. Now cancellation. 4 1 jar 4 2. Now cancellation to 1 jar. Here you get 1 answer. Understood that is the reciprocal. Suppose the given fraction, both are fraction. Both are fraction. Now here 3 by 4 divided by becomes into. So this one is the reciprocal of that one. Reciprocal means reverse of the fraction. So this one 3 by 4. Now is there any cancellation you observe? Not there. 3 is 9, 4 4 jar 16. You get the answer decimal. Decimal. You take one example, the number 8.375. 8.375. Here point before value is the whole part. Next point after value is the decimal. So point is the decimal point. So this one expanded form of this one, how to do? They given 8.35. So here first you take expanded whole part. So 8 plus. So in decimal part, first one is the tens, second one is the hundreds, third one is the thousands. So this one 3 by 10. It makes tens. 3 tens plus 5 by 100. So 500 plus 7 by 1000. So 7,000. So like that we expand the given decimal. Like decimals. So 8.23, 9.27, 8.40. So here observe decimal place 2ds, here 2ds, here 2ds are. So these are like decimals. Suppose they given next unlike decimals, decimal places 8.25, 9.25, 6.735. So here observe one digit is there, here 2 digit is there, here 3 digits are. So these are unlike decimals. 9.275, 9.276, 3.5. So these three are unlike decimals. So unlike decimals we convert into like decimals. We observe decimal places. So here 2 digits are there. Here 3 digits are there. Here 1 digit is there. Now here which one is the highest digit? Second one. So 3 digits. So all are converted 3 digits only. So here 2 digits are there. One more digit is there. You take 0. Now here how many digits you want? 2 digits. There are, you take zeros. Okay, like that. So these are given unlike decimals, we convert into like decimals. So how ascending order and descending. Ascending order and descending order and descending order and descending on decimals. So given decimals 8.35, 6.97, 8.4 like that. So given decimals first of all you convert into like this. Here 2 digits are there, here 2 digits are there, here 1 digit. So total all we take 2 digits only. Here one more digit is 0. Now like this. Now compare here arrange ascending order means small to big. First you check the whole part. So whole part 8, here 6, 8. So here small to big, which one small? 6 is small. So 6.97 is less than. Next these two are same only. Next go for decimals. Here 3, here 4. Which is small? 3 is small. So 8.35 less than. Next last one 8.40. Like that. So descending order means big to small. And reverse order of the ascending. Now 8.40 you take now greater than cylinder. 8.40, 8.35, next 6.95. Like that we arrange the descending order. Okay. Suppose here given values whole part 8, 8, 8. Whole part is same number is there means next go for decimal places. So decimal place 10th one is the same. Next go for hundreds, go for thousands like that. Then is not equal. Then you check the smaller one. Suppose they asking ascending order means you check the smaller one. Suppose they asking here descending order means you check the bigger one. Okay, good. So after arrange the ascending order and descending order like that. Okay, 10, 100, 1000. Suppose the given number 8.85 into 10. So without multiplication, how to write this? How to write the value? Here multiplication 10 is there here. 10 is there means decimal part onwards you send 1 digit to whole part. Now here 8 we send 1 digit to whole part. 83.5. Suppose this one 8.35 into 100. So here 2 zeros. You send 2 digits to whole part, decimal part. 1, 2. Now here 835. So next point after any digit not there. No need to take point. Next 8.35 into 1000. Now here how many digits? 3 digits, 3 zeros. So you send 3 digits, 1, 2. One more digit you take 0. So 8350. After you take point, after any value not there, no need to take 0. So this is a multiplication process with 10 to 100. Like that the division process. Division 8.35 divided by 10. So divided by 10. In multiplication process you take decimal to whole part. But here in division process whole part to decimal. Whole part to decimal. So 1 is there. Whole part to decimal you convert. Whole part to decimal you send. So now this is here 0. 0.8 cent beside 835. Now 8.35 divided by 100. Now how many years? 2 digits. So here whole part onwards is sent to decimal 2 digits. Now here 0. Here already 1 digit is there. One more digit you take 0. So 0.85. Next 8.35 divided by 1000. 1000 means here 3 zeros. 3 zeros means 8 years is sent to decimal part. Whole part to decimal. One more 0, one more 0. Now here 0.0085. Like that you do the division by 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so like that you multiply that 10, 100, 1000. So these are very important in this chapter. Okay, understood now everyone? So thank you very much.